Hello and welcome to another Mr. Carter Science Special. In this video we'll be looking at the stomata on leaves. In my previous videos I have discussed photosynthesis with you and the fact that carbon dioxide plus water is used to produce glucose plus oxygen. And I have told you that the carbon dioxide will enter a plant through these structures known as the stomata. But what exactly is a stomata? Well, a stomata is a hole found between two guard cells, and you can see the guard cells here, 1, 2, and then the stomata hole in the middle here. Now it is many stomata, one single stoma. So oxygen is a waste gas that is produced in photosynthesis, and the oxygen will diffuse out of an open stomata. Carbon dioxide is a gas needed by plant cells to make glucose in photosynthesis, and the carbon dioxide will diffuse into the leaf through the stomata, which you can see here. Water is a liquid needed by plants to make glucose during photosynthesis. However, the problem is the stomata need to be open to allow carbon dioxide to diffuse in, but this means there is a trade-off, and a lot of water, about 90% of the water absorbed by the plant, will be lost through the stomata in a process known as transpiration. So during the day the stomata is open, but at night the stomata close to prevent water loss or excessive water loss. So it's the job of these guard cells here and here to open and close the stomata, and they will do that by gaining or losing water by osmosis, depending on whether it is daytime or nighttime. This video here is incredible. You can actually see the stomata opening and closing as the guard cells gain or lose water. They will gain the water and become very turgid during the day, which will force the stomata open, and they will lose water and become flaccid at night, which causes the whole of the stomata to close. I find this absolutely incredible that we have this footage available to us today. Now, you may have carried out a similar investigation where you have looked at stomata under a microscope and you've been able to identify the hole, the stomata, and to the left and the right the guard cells. If you haven't asked your teacher to do this with you, it's a fantastic experiment whereby you take some nail varnish and you paint the underside of a leaf where the stomata are, add some sellotape and peel off gently the hardened nail varnish to make an impression of the bottom of the leaf. You then stick this to a slide and examine under a microscope, and you should be able to see many stomata. You could even calculate the number of stomata per centimetre cubed on the bottom of a leaf. Thank you very much for watching this short video on the stomata. I hope you've enjoyed it. Comment below, let me know what you've learned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time.